Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's MATIC video update for 11 January. And very quickly, if you're not in the Discord, join us because someone did share with us this Binance news and the fact that he got an email from Binance. Not so many people got email from them, and then I had to check on the Binance original website, and they approve and they made a post that the important key highlights is Bitcoin would have to break through $52,000 to be able to resume its uptrend, while closing below $41,000 could signal a downswing to $33,000. So please watch the Bitcoin update on the channel today and what my thoughts are about it and where it's going to lead to. Now, so far, I'm noticing that Matic is having the bounce out of this support line right there. We have a bounce, but the problem is with Bitcoin. Now, if I have to give, my, what do you call it? The score, let's say the health score of Matic, it's looking fantastic. I would have, like, personally enter if Bitcoin was not looking bad. Now, I fear entering and trading it because of Bitcoin. And Matic on its own, it's looking good. It's looking damn good, okay? Like, it's supposed to take a bounce from here and then continue to that $3 and $6. But is it gonna happen? Maybe we could have a swerve. And the swerve that could be is that it could, on the daily, put this left shoulder, this head, and then who knows, go a little bit up like this, 2.4, because that's a resistance, and then come down, and then you're going to put the right shoulder. And then when you break out of this one, you're going to see the technical targets from here to here. That could take you all the way down to the $0.9. Yes, zero. If you're going to put that head and shoulder, of course. That's the technical target of the head and shoulder, not my own. Kind of, don't get afraid that I'm saying 0.9. Don't jump on me, guys. This is just the way that chart pattern gives you the target, but not at the moment. At the moment, there's not any head and shoulders, but still, there's a threat of Bitcoin to go down, and it could drag this one down as well. Because when Bitcoin goes down, every other single coin just goes down, and you cannot do anything about it. Okay, and my take to it is still that I'm on the sidelines, and probably I'm not in the mood of trading Matic at the moment. Not in the mood. Totally abandoning the trade ever since it was at 2.8. And when are we going to take a trade? When is it going to look good? Of course, future updates are going to be kicking in, and you're going to know when it's the good time to be taking entries as well. And based on that one, then I'm gonna let you know if it's a good idea to take a trade or not to take a trade. But right now, at this current situation, I don't think that taking a trade is gonna be good. I just want to look at the volume as well. The volume of this, I'm trying to see what kind of a candlestick pattern this is. That's not really decisive right now. We did have a hammer potentially. This was a spinning top. Okay, but there's still an issue that there's no volume to back this move to the upside. No volume at all. I mean, look at the importance of volume. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the importance of volume right now. So you see this candlestick, this one right here, and look at this candlestick right here. These two green candlesticks right now. Okay, and look at the volumes. The volume of this candlestick was backed up. Okay, look, that volume is bigger, and then the volume of this candlestick is not being backed up. Look how low you are right now. Here, look how low it is. Look how high this was. Look how high it was. And even though they are almost nearly the same body, do you see that same body right now? So there is no volume. And back in the days, you see, when there was volume kicking in, when the prices were moving up, and then everything was okay, everything was good. But then again, the volume started to drop. We went up like this, and then the volume was going down like this. You see that? So there is a diversion, there is a problem, there is an issue with this one. So the shady movement is there with Matic as well. So I'm not gonna really recommend anyone to kind of trade it. If someone is looking for an entry, just wait a little bit for confirmation. The only confirmation that I'm gonna give you is potentially now when you break $2.4, okay, you break 2.4, probably 2.57, back test it, and then from there you're invalidating that threat to go down. Then that means that this retest is successful, by the way. But at the moment it is even successful. As a matter of fact, it is kind of successful, but technical analysis is not one thing only. It doesn't mean just because it bounced here it cannot go back down. And the reason why there's a threat of going back down is Bitcoin, only simply Bitcoin. Even though I would have given a pause for the MATIC right now, but Bitcoin isn't letting me do that, by the way. And that's it for today's update. Join the Discord, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. I love this.